good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is Forex Trading Course 101, everybody. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the three pillars. And sorry for my voice, everybody. I had what it's called the singer's problem the last 3 days. Hello hedge fund trader Clara, hello hedge fund trader Olufemi, hello hedge fund trader Ala, hello hedge fund trader Dancy, how are you? Hopefully my voice is going to stay here, everybody. If I get without the voice, then remember to explain why did we postpone for so long. Thank you very much. I'm sure everyone will understand. Yes, everybody, I was not sick really, but I had I was without voice, makes sense? I was like no voice to talk, so yeah, not a problem. Back to class, everybody. So pillar number 2 is the strategy. If it's not as bad as I thought, well, I drink a tons of tea this morning, you know. Anyway, everybody, and the third pillar is the trader. Talking about the trader more in the Forex course 202. And we have the Forex trading week, day 2. Karaoke. No, it was cold weather, hot weather, cold weather, hot weather, hot weather, cold weather. Here in Brazil we have extreme weather sometimes, so the temperature can come to down 20 degrees Celsius during the same day, and then it gets back up and down and so on and so on. Anyway, tomorrow is going to be better, right? Today is the 4th day, 5th day. Everybody remember, champion traders always say what? Champion traders always say that I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis, and of course this is a quote from Mark Douglas, everybody, and my 50 cents on the left. When the market scares the hell out of you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. Hello Olufemi, how are you? Also remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. These streams are not trading or investment advice. Check the sound, check the sound. Me? Sound check, everybody, can you hear me? OBS is saying that you can hear me, everybody. Anyway, also remember that if your array is not working, why don't you try ours, right? So, Forex Trading Week Day 2. Forex Trading Week Day 2. Remember, this is not trading or investment advice. What is the purpose of the Forex Trading Week? We just finished beginner module. We just finished candlestick formations, everybody. If this is your first time with us, please go back to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page and start to watch basic module, lesson number 1, what is market structure. Okay, maybe not this week, but next week we are going to start with the intermediate module, multiple time frames, Fibonacci's, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, everybody, give me a second. I need to open the platform. And remember the practice, right? Type in the chat the currency pairs, type in the chat your idea. Do you want to go long? Do you want to go short? Everybody, there is no right or wrong. Type in the chat what pattern are you trading. Type in the chat where is the stop loss. Type in the chat where is the take profit. So those are the positions from last week. Right, those are the positions. So clone chart and clone chart 1, 2, 3, 4 different currencies pair last week. Okay, so let's go here. Euro, JPY, this is one. Then we have GBP, JPY is 2. Then we have GBP, USD. And then we have NZD, USD, right? NZD, USD. NZD, USD. And and NZD/USD daily chart, GBP/USD daily chart, GBP/JPY 2-hour chart, Euro/JPY 2-hour chart, whatever. GBP/JPY 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart, Euro/GBP 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't remember who was trading what. Anyway, Euro/JPY long, it's a winner. GBP/JPY, it's a winner. GBP/USD, it's a winner too. And NZD/USD, it's a winner too. Okay, everybody, so what we're going to do today, type in the chat what currency pair do you want to trade, what time frame, long or short, where the stop loss, where the take profit, right? NZD/USD daily chart, I believe. And remember what we are trying to do here, we are trying to learn the probabilistic thinking, okay, and we are trying to implement all this knowledge in here. Yes, this is the purpose of the Forex trading week. Okay, everybody, let's start today. We just had the Canadian news. What do you think about NZD/CAD? NZD/CAD long or short right now? NZD/CAD 1 hour time frame, 2 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame. If you would trade NZD/CAD, if you would trade Canada/JPY, if you would trade Canada/CHF. We just had Canadian news right now, about 8 minutes ago. NZD/CAD, oh, of course, AUD/CAD, right? AUD/CAD right now, long or short? AUD/CAD, Canada/CHF right now, long or short? Any time frame? Yes, sir. Canada/JPY, long or short right now? Any time frame? Yes, sir. NZD/CAD, long or short? Any time frame? Yes, sir. Any time frame. And remember, everybody, there is no right or wrong, right? AUD/CAD daily chart. We are kind of sideways so far, right? Agreed, everybody? Freedom, can I choose other currency pairs? Absolutely yes. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Not a problem. AUD/CAD daily chart. Let's compress the chart. This is the compressed chart, Canada/CHF. Let's implement what we have learned so far. So this is the downtrend line. The market broke the downtrend line and it's moving step by step, it's moving up. We learned about support, resistance. So the market hit past support in here. Oh, there you are. Open. I believe we went on USD/CAD, right, last time. USD/CAD. There you go, USD/CAD. So here we are, right? Clara short, Dancy short. Wow, Clara, congratulations, the market hit your take profit, right? This was from last week, everybody. I found the charts. Clara, hedge fund trader Clara, congratulations. Clara shorted the market and the market hit the take profit. Dance's take profit still down in here. And this is the 4-hour chart. USD CAD still, USD CAD 30-minute chart, 50-minute chart, Euro dollar 5-minute chart. This was Jane, was profitable too, congratulations. Euro AUD, Ala, you went long. Okay, so you are still in the trade, your stop loss is down here. So the market went up and down and up and down and then reversed, falling so far. NZD USD, MHB is long. MHB's take profit up in here. Anybody else went long on? I have two. So this is what we're talking about next week. NZD CAD daily time frame short, very good. And Euro JPY, not sure who was long on Euro JPY. So most of the JPY pairs, right? Remember, this is no advice. Most of JPY pairs, the market broke the downtrend line and the market made a relevant higher high. So we are not in a downtrend anymore. Okay, so let's go on. Let's open NZD CAD, right? NZD CAD. NZD CAD daily chart. NZD CAD daily chart. Fibonacci's are out. We didn't learn yet. Monthly out, out. We are here right now. And hedge fund trader Olufemi short the market, short the market. Stop loss is going to be at 0.8358 and take profit is going to be at 0.803. Submit. There you go. Olufemi, congratulations to you. You are in a trade. Congratulations. Olufemi, what pattern are you trading? We are missing the pattern. You did great, Olufemi. You put the currency pair, you put the time frame, you put the stop loss and the take profit. Last question. Because the stop loss goes on the pattern traded, what pattern are you trading? Olufemi short. 1st of June. Vacation is coming, everybody. Our vacation is coming in about a few weeks. We go on vacation. Olufemi short, congratulations. What pattern, Olufemi, are you shorting? Somebody's asking, not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform, Freedom, what pattern do we have? You have, everybody, an up market wave. Example. Then you have the short-term trends, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, if you want. Then you have monthly, weekly, daily. Now 4 hour, not monthly, weekly, daily. Bullish and bearish candlestick formations are tradable patterns. Bullish or bearish candlestick formations are tradable patterns. Then you have, so you have uptrends, then you have the short-term downtrend, then you have, everybody, consolidation, and each and every one of those patterns have strict rules, how to enter, how to exit, how to manage the trade. Then you have head and shoulders, just an example. Then you have reverse head and shoulders. Then you have the advanced technique, which is called the crown. You have a bearish crown, you have a bullish crown. Then you have channels and breakouts if you want. Channel, down channel, up channel, everybody. Those are patterns too if you want. And so on, and so on, and so on. Here is the kicker, everybody. What we must understand as traders is that stop loss goes on the pattern traded. And what makes money to the trader is the stop loss. It's not the entry and the take profit. If you put the wrong stop loss on every single different pattern, the market is going to stop you out, but the pattern is going to be still valid. Make sense? Olufemi, downtrend and bearish candlestick formation in a downtrend. Well, choose one. You cannot have two, everybody. Choose one. So Olufemi is saying, well, I'm shorting the downtrend, right? NZD-CAD, daily chart. We're trying to implement what we have learned so far in the live market. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. So we learned about the market wave. And then we have the short-term trend, which is high to low, high to low, low to high, high to low. So high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. And then we don't have a low until low, low, and then everybody, is Olufemi's stop loss in the correct place, talking about the pattern that he is trading, or not? There is no right or wrong. What do you think? Is everybody Olufemi's stop loss up in here? Horizontal line, something like this, red transparency like this and like this. Edit label, Olufemi's stop loss. There you go. Talking about risk-reward ratio, this is the risk and clone. 1 for 1. Olufemi, why are you trading 1 for 1? Why don't you trade 1 for 2? See everybody, why those guys in here are extremely important. Learning about those guys in here, this is the skill. Then it says wrong place of stop loss. Why is that? Everybody, this is the skill. You must learn how those patterns behave. Why? Because those patterns are predictable to a degree. Make sense? Those different patterns are going to do the same thing 7 times out of 10. So you must learn how to enter, where to enter, where to put the stop loss, and where to put the take profit too. So Olufemi entered into a great trade, everybody, but Olufemi is risk reward ratio 1-for-2. Agreed? So here is the question. Why are you trading 1-for-2 habitually on a downtrend? There is no right or wrong. It's a probability based question. Wrong place of stop loss because high where is stop loss not confirmed. Well, this is a high, not sure about what you say, it's not confirmed. I believe, Dancy, I believe the stop loss is in the correct place. Because if the market reverses right now and stops him out, isn't this going to be, Dancy, isn't this going to be an uptrend? If the market reverses, blue rectangle, everybody, Dancy says, well, this stop loss is not okay because it's not confirmed. And I said, well, I believe it's okay because if the market, if this is the low and this is the high and Olufemi shorting the red one, the short-term downtrend, and this is the next lower high and it's confirmed, so this is the correct place for me to, if the market reverses and stops me out, for me to understand, oh, I'm in an uptrend, so this is an okay loser. I didn't do anything wrong. Make sense, everybody? Yes, not all entries are the same. Agreed? Then see, it is not relevant high. He is not trading the relevant highs. Forex course 101. Relevant highs and lows are borderlines between extensions and retracements. But he is not trading the yellow one. Then see, great comment. He is not trading the yellow one, relevant highs and lows. He's trading all the highs and all the lows. He's trading the short-term downtrend. Olufemi, pivot point is close to the take profit. I intend to re-enter. Okay, very good. It is not relevant high. Okay, he is trading the short-term trend. Yes, sir. Anybody else want to go long or short on NZD CAD? Daily chart, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, whatever chart? Everybody, this is not trading or investment advice, right? We are here to learn how this market works. So if Canada is strong, then most likely AUD CAD is going to fall too. AUD CAD. Everybody, is AUD CAD falling too? This is the daily chart. Not quite the same. Not quite the same, right? And if AUD CAD is falling, then Canada JPY must be rallying. Canada JPY must be up, right? There you go, daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was the downtrend line from before. The market was in a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Now the market is not in a downtrend anymore. The market did break this high. Everybody, anybody wants to trade Canada JPY right now? Remember, it's not that difficult. Yes, we are trying to implement what we have learned so far. So Canada JPY daily chart. Zoom out and try to identify the pattern that you are trading. Not happy with the daily chart, go on the 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart, zoom out and try to identify the pattern that you are trading. Not happy with the 2-hour chart, you can go on the 30-minute chart, same story, zoom out and try to identify a pattern. And then it gets easy, right? You just put stop loss, take profit. Then see, now I wait for retracement. Everybody type in the chat, did you put any trades yesterday, Monday, Tuesday? If you have a trade, everybody, that you don't understand why is going against you, type in the chat. The currency pair, the time frame, stop loss, take profit. And don't be shy, this is how we learn the financial markets. Make sense? Everybody, you cannot learn, oh, I'm going to just share my winning trades. You cannot learn from the winners, everybody. You can learn from the losers. Don't be shy and type in the chat, oh, I have this losing trade and I have no idea why the market is going against me. Those are the best learning experiences. Make sense? Learning the financial markets, learning how to trade the financial market, it's trial and error and trial and error. Make sense, everybody? Canada JPY daily chart. Out. And what we have two more, right? Clone chart. We have GBP CAT should go down. GBP CAT, it's falling, right? Canada is strong because of the news. And clone chart, EuroCAT should be falling too, and it is, right? So here is the question, everybody. When, golden nugget for you, when you see a currency pair falling or going up because of the news event, should you be entering the market? What do you think, everybody? When you see a currency pair falling or going up because of the news event, should you be entering the market? Now this is ForexFactory.com, everybody, and Tuesday, Wednesday, let's refresh, 11 a.m. Brazilian time, my time, so 30 minutes ago, the Central Bank of Canada, they increased the interest rate. So this strengthened so far, the market is showing it's that strengthen. Clara, we can scalp it. Clara, it's very dangerous if you are not well versed in scalping, entering and scalping everybody during the news time. It's very, yes, you can, Clara, but it's very dangerous. So this is the overnight rate, and we are seeing here that EuroCAD on the 1 hour chart, I'm seeing this candle, right? And or let's go on the 15-minute chart. GBP CAD 15-minute chart, Canada JPY 15-minute chart, AUD CAD 15-minute chart. So you see this candle falling, right? Should you just jump and short the market? The last two candles, right? From the news, you see GBP CAD 15-minute chart, you see those two candles falling. Should you just jump in? Canada JPY, of course, Reliant. You have a huge bullish candle here, bullish engulfing candle. Should you just jump in here and buy? AUD CAD 15-minute chart, all the same. Should you just jump here and short? No, no, no. Why not? All of them jumped. Seems so far so good, right? Why not? Let's go back on the daily. Let's go back on the daily. Let's go back on the daily. Why not, everybody? Why you shouldn't jump? Should you be entering the market? What if we ask a better question? Can you enter with a pattern that you trade? No, this is FOMO. Yes, very good, excellent. Fear of missing out. Now let's ask a better question. There is a news event. Can you enter a news event with a pattern that you trade? Alright, now this is a different kind of question. See, everybody, how this works? One skill is that professional traders, we are using news events to trade the patterns that we are trading anyway. Make sense? If you are skilled enough about news trading strategies and systems, then you are going to straddle the news trade. You're going to go buy stop, sell stop, and amen, and good luck. Otherwise, you are trading anyway the patterns. So if you have identified an uptrend on Canada JPY, if you have identified sideways channel on AUD CAD, if you have identified an up market wave of Canada CHF, if you identified a sideways channel on EuroCAD, is it wrong to enter the market and jump in the train, on the train? Everybody? AUD CAD, right? Now we are 30 minutes over, so AUD CAD on the 15-minute chart, everybody. Just an example, right? And this is no trading or investment advice. So I identified a sideways channel on AUD CAD, just an example. Okay, the market was up and down, up and down, up and down, and I know that news is approaching, right? Is it wrong for me to enter in here with this candle falling and stop loss above in here because I'm trading this pattern anyway, right? All of you, pattern trading is different from news trading. Yes, but you can use the news to enter into a position. Does this make sense to you, everybody? Yes, if pattern and news going in the same direction, exactly. Is it anything wrong, everybody, if I am on NZD CAT 2-hour chart and before the news event I'm seeing NZD CAT, it's like this, right? Kind of sideways consolidation, and there is a news is coming out. Is anything wrong if I put a sell stop order, a pending order in here? So as Dance is saying, if the news is going to be in the same direction, is this anything wrong if I put a sell stop order, a pending order somewhere down in here, out of the range, a few pips, somewhere down in here? So if the news is going to break out of the range and is going to be in the direction of the short-term trend or the market wave, is this wrong? Or for the traders who are on NZD CAT 2-hour chart, market wave, right? So you have this uptrend line on the market wave this time. Don't confuse short-term trends with the market wave. And then you have this uptrend line from the 2-hour chart. So out, out, out. On the 2-hour chart the market was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It stopped making higher highs, higher lows, everybody. Agreed? It was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then start making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, higher high, but then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and finally broke down on the lower low. Do we agree, everybody, that this quadrant is showing you something different than this quadrant? The green quadrant is showing you something different than the violet quadrant? So if you are on the 2-hour chart, you would short the market anyway, right? I mean, there is no right or wrong going long, going short. But talking about the short-term trend, once the market broke the low, with the downtrend, once the market broke the low, you are not in a short-term uptrend anymore, you are in a short-term downtrend. Hedge fund trader Clara says yes. Hedge fund trader Patrick says yes. So you can use the news event, everybody, right, to enter into a position, but Dance is correct. Yes, if the pattern and the news event are going in the same direction. And this is why you are not going to enter blindly, everybody. You are not going to enter blindly here, you know, like, oh, just I'm going to short the market. Well, put a pending order, because as Dance is saying, the market can go down a little bit and then can shoot up, right? So a pending order, you are going to be safe. No, everybody, there is no right or wrong. This is just one of the many techniques that you are going to learn. Some of you know this already, right? Some of you are with us for the last 3 years, 4 years on JForex, on Dukascopy webinars. Some of you have learned this already. Some of you are new, are learning how to trade, how to be a trader. Okay, so AUD CAD, Canada JPY, it's here, GBP CAD, Euro CAD. Now, let's talk about the infamous AUD NZD. Everybody type in the chat, AUD NZD, how are you going to make money on the demo account first? How are you going to make money on AUD NZD? Today, tomorrow, the next day, next week? Hello Shiro, how are you? Everybody, do you want me to show you a potential money maker? We are calling this the we are calling those the Lambo trades. You have the Volkswagen trades, you have the Toyota trades, you have the respectable BMW trades, but then you have the Lambo trade, you have the Ferrari trade, you have the Bentley Aston Martin trade. Somebody's asking what is the Lambo trade. Lambo trade is that it's a we are joking, you know, but this is how we characterize the big money makers, the big potential earners. A trade that can make you big bucks. But remember everybody, this is not for beginner traders, make sense? And those streams are absolutely not investment advice. Okay, we are not advisors, we are trying to learn how to trade this market. Don't do stupid things. Stay on the demo account. I know some of you from the past years. Some of you are crazy enough to go, oh, you know, he showed me the Lambo trade, now I'm going to open a live account, I'm going to put 500 bucks and I'm going to trade. Well, it's an idea, everybody. You can still lose, make sense? Yes, AUD long-term long. Yes, please, it's uptrend, but it's running on extension for me. I will wait for retracement, then go long. Everybody, the Lambo trade, it's the CHF JPY. From the monthly chart, this is your Lambo trade. If you ask me, it's not ready yet. The Lambo is still in the garage, but this is your Lambo trade. We're going to just quickly AUD NZD. AUD NZD, everybody. If the daily chart is your trading chart, the weekly is going to be your confirmation chart. What can you see from the weekly? Everybody, probability, there is no right or wrong. Probability wise, is it better to stay out and wait for the market to reverse? Probability wise, meaning there is no right or wrong. If you want to go long, go long. Those are all pivot points, everybody. Support, resistance, pivot points. So this market, it's ranging from 2014, this being the extreme of the upper band, this being the extreme of the lower band, and you are here right now. Probability wise, is it safe to go long, or is it better to stay out and prepare for you to go short? Method, the Aston Martin trade tomorrow. We don't know. But this is the... Everybody, let's go step by step. Can the market go up in here? Yes, it can, right? The market can push higher. But we are learning and trying to learn how to understand risk-reward ratio. If you go long right now, what pattern are you trading? Because the stop loss goes on the pattern traded. So if this is the daily chart, right? This is the daily chart. And I'm trading the market wave or the short-term trend. So this would be the market wave or short-term trend, up, high to low, low to high, high to low. If I go long right now, if this is my risk, this is my reward. Can the market go up? Yes, it can. A different kind of question. Is this trade worth taking? Is this trade worth my margin and my psychological stress? Hedge fund trader Patrick says, stay out, wait for signal. Ranging, so risk reward does not warrant going long. Exactly. But again, everybody, what we're going to learn in the future, more in the Forex course 202, is that different strategies have different rules, right? This entry going long right now is going to be different for a scalper, is going to be different for a day trader, and is going to be different for a swing trader. Hedge fund trader Shiro says nope. Hedge fund trader Julius says no. Okay, everybody, there is no right or wrong. Hedge fund trader Meto says don't go long. Here is the Lambo trade, everybody. We have just a few more minutes. Okay. Why is this a Lambo trade? This is the extreme of the upper band and this is the extreme of the lower band. We've learned that the currency market, the Forex market, is nothing more than a contract between the two countries, right? Now, up in here, the Switzerland franc is going to get too expensive. Roof of the range, yes sir. So what I am expecting for real on a live account, everybody, institutional traders, what we're expecting is the market to go to a level, we don't know where, and then this is going to be the long-term range. Make sense? This is the potential Lambo trade. And for some of you that like the sharks and the bats and the butterflies, right? You have this. What is this? A butterfly? A butterfly? You know, the harmonic patterns, the crab, the unicorn, whatever. No, I'm not joking. Those exist. So this is what we are waiting. If the market gets up to the upper band and starts to break, then the Central Bank of Switzerland is going to come on stage and they are going to intervene. Make sense, everybody? But you must stay patient. Not everybody gets the Lambo, right? Not everybody gets the Aston, right? You need to be patient and monitor the market. every single day, like a sniper in the woods. Be a sniper, everybody. Monitor the market, monitor the market. See in here, this market already tried. We made some profits in here already. This market already tried. Let's go on the weekly. See everybody, the market went up in here, bearish candlestick formation, and for 3 straight weeks it went down. So somebody was selling already, but it's not enough to reverse the market. Make sense? So for the Lambo trade, monitor it on the monthly chart, everybody. Don't monitor it on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, make sense? If you go here and you monitor this market on the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, if you are not skilled enough, you are going to lose. See in here, 2 hour chart? You would say, oh my gosh, this market it's reversing, there is the Lambo. Well, not yet. Right, the market was moving up and up and up, and then you see something like this and you are happy, you know, oh my gosh, this is the Ferrari, this is the Aston, you know, the market is reversing. Well, not yet. Okay, and remember, this is not trading or investment advice, but when it's going to start to fall and you need to be patient, we don't know when, maybe tomorrow, maybe September, maybe December, maybe New Year, maybe January 2023. We don't have the crystal ball, but fundamentally speaking, this currency is getting too strong, is getting too expensive, makes sense? Allah, I need Mercedes. Mercedes you have on GBP CAD, NZD CAD, Allah. Allah, there, this is your Mercedes here. NZD CAD pair. Euro CAD pair. GBP CAD pair. Those are the Mercedes. This is a Lambo trade. Yes, it's getting too expensive. You know? My Japanese friend Shiro is saying, I don't want the Milka chocolate anymore. And Hans from Switzerland is going to ask, why not? And Shiro is going to say, well, your Milka chocolate from Switzerland or Lindt chocolate from Switzerland, it costs too much. Make sense, everybody? Hans is selling Milka chocolate to Shiro. Hans it's in Switzerland and Shiro it's in Japan. Hans is selling chocolate Milka to Shiro in Switzerland francs. Tesla, man, I don't know Tesla. Every year a Tesla. I'm not sure which one, which currency pairs would be a Tesla. Make sense, everybody? CHF JPY, it's too expensive. I mean CHF, the Switzerland franc. So the Japanese government, population, country is going to import less. Milka chocolate less, Lindt chocolate less, I don't know what. Not sure what Switzerland is known for. Yes, it's all about the international trade. Sorry to include like this, but how long do we continue with the supposed trading week tomorrow and then is it? No, for 3 more days, Captain. 3 more days. Meto, we are up with our time. Everybody, our captain, our boss is here. Pay your respect to Yanis, Captain Yanis. And remember, this is not trading advice, everybody. Make sense? I'm not telling you what to do. I'm showing you what I am monitoring and what I am going to do. Okay, but don't take it, oh, I'm going to do the same. Well, if you wanna play on the demo account first. Don't do stupid things. Hear me out. Don't you take your 200, 300 bucks, euros, reais, or whatever. I'm going to open a live account and I'm going to make tons of money with CHF-JPY. Don't do these stupid things. Oh, why not? But you just told me about the Lambo. You are not skilled yet. Make sense? Patience. Go on the demo account. Everybody, I have a good news for you and then we are going to end for today. Practice on the demo account and show to yourself, capture 5 Lambo trades on the demo account. Capture 5 Lambo trades on the demo account, prove to yourself that you are skilled enough, and then have a party. You know, if you can capture 5 Lambo trades on the demo account, there is a great chance, a great probability that you can capture the Lambo trades on the live account too. But you must prove to yourself, everybody. Make sense? Don't do stupid things. How do you know? I did this. When my mentor showed me their Lambo trades 20 years ago, I was the stupid moron that took 500 euros, opened a live account, and I burned it. Make sense? Why? You know, I was not skilled enough. I was not skilled enough, everybody. This guy. Market and strategy, those are the easy stuff. This guy was not skilled enough. Make sense? Anyways, this is a Lambo trade, everybody. Our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. You bunch of